Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. This is Mercy Concept TV. My name is Favor. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Today I'll be sharing with you how to enrich your soil for planting. How the optimal produce to make your crops to be fruitful, how you can enrich your soil for effective planting. This is all I'll be taking you through today, sharing with you. If you're interested in this type of topic, because I've encouraged all my YouTube subscribers, and I'll continue to encourage you to have a garden in your home. Even if it's a container garden, try and put something in the soil this year, and I would like to hear a feedback what you have planted and when you are harvesting. I've planted my tomato, bell pepper, some of them they are doing well, and I'll still show you one of these days how far the plant has grown. It's doing well, and I did some things that makes the plant to grow well. There are some natural, some techniques or things I did that to improve the soil texture, because where we are now, their soil is not fertile. It's a hard soil. It's like a desert. They don't usually have rainfall. But for our surprise, about a week ago, we had a rainfall for like 2 days, and that is it. They don't usually have a rainfall. It's a place that is so sunny. When it begins to sun, they can have up to 16 degrees centigrade. It's so high and so hot here. But for this period, the weather is still okay, and I want to take the opportunity to quickly make my plants, and I've made some ways of you can enrich the soil. That is what I'm here to share with you today. So keep watching. One of the ways that you should make the seed bed, I showed you in the last video, I was transplanting from the nursery to the bed. The seed bed is where you are going to finally transplant your plant to, and it have to be cushy, it have to be nice, it have to be fertile, it have to be rich. So another thing is that the soil should be covered. Don't expose the soil to too much sunlight. You can cover it to moisture so that it will be, to keep the moisture, especially when there is sun. When there is sun, you need to cover the bed. The next thing to improve the soil is that you have to preserve and improve the soil structure. The structure, the texture of the soil. How you can improve the structure of the soil is by adding some manure to it. What I did, let me just explain quickly in this first point how I improve the soil. I grounded fish bone, grounded fish, bananas, banana, rice, some of my kitchen things like that, potatoes, sweet potatoes back. I blended everything together. Then I mix it with the soil, then put it at the roots of those ones I've already transplanted. And for those that was about transplanted, when I mix those things, I mix it with the soil, then transplant my seedling inside those mixed sand with those manure I prepare on my own, self-made manure, so that the crop will be able to grow very well. You can blend fish, you can blend bananas, egg, you can mix it with egg, you can mix so many things in it. Yes, I added egg to it, blend everything together in a liquid form, then I mix it with the soil and planting it, and they are doing well. One of these days I'll show you the growth of my crops outside. So there are ways you can enrich your soil. You can also consider minimum tillage. Minimum, because when the soil you are planting is too shallow, the root will not be able to penetrate. Depends the type of plant you are planting. The deepness of when you are planting cassava, yam, all those tuber root crops, it have to be more deeper than when you are planting vegetables. Tomatoes, all those ones can be a bit shallow, but it have to have a bit deep for the root to penetrate and survive, so that the root will not dry up. So I also avoid soil compaction, then maintain an increase in the soil organic matter. Add organic manure. That is what I just said. You can add the one you buy, the one they've already made one they are selling, or you can make the organic manure yourself at home. You can use the dog of animal feces. You can mix it with the soil. It also make it fufu. But I don't like that because it irritates me. Animals, dogs, I don't want to use it for my crops. That is personal. But if you can bear it, if it doesn't irritate you, you can use it, because when it decomposes in the soil, it causes the crops to grow very well. Instead of that, I use fish, banana, egg, the back of the potato, grind it together, mix it with the soil, and it will do also justice to it. Walk across the slope where safe to do so. Consider delay plugins and maintain drainage. Drainage is also important. Where the water can pass away is also important. Adjusting cropping pattern. Water and wind together, speed and power over long distance. Watering the soil can also enrich the soil. Maintaining drainage can also enrich the soil. Don't allow drainage to wash away the nutrient of the soil out. So that's another key factors of it. So the ways you can enrich your soil is so simple. If the place you are, even if the place you are is they have a fertile soil, you can also boost it by adding your own manure to it. By adding manure to it, you boost it, and by also removing the weeds, removing weeds, and changing the type of plants. Don't plant a particular crops on a particular land for a very long period of time. Like maybe this year you planted maize, next year you planted maize, next 3 years you plant. No, on a particular land, no, you have to be exchanging the crops you are planting. By that, the soil will be enriched. So another way you can also enrich your soil is by allowing leaves to decompose. Some leaves, you can put leaves. When leaves decompose in the soil, it also enrich the soil. You can put some leaves. Some people put some grass on it, covering the soil. So it's at times when it decomposes in the soil, it enriches the soil and the plants grows very well. So I'll keep some clip on some fertile ground, how it looks like. Sometimes it looks loomy, it's like a loamy soil. It looks so dark, it's so good. And whenever you plant your greens, your vegetable there, it grows very well. The food that will come out will be so fruitful. So that is the tips on how you can enrich your soil. Please, if you have not yet subscribe, because this channel will be giving back-to-back value content videos. See you in my next one. Bye.